Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video we are going to discuss with you that what is Google AdSense. Yes, you are listening right. What is Google AdSense? Because AdSense provide the opportunity to earn with online techniques, tips, tricks. This is the platform where you can earn by your YouTube channel and other things. It's very important and there are some tips or tricks how you can create and how you can get a success and active Google AdSense. There are a lot of people who are trying to create a successful and try to activate Google AdSense accounts, but unfortunately they fail to get success and active AdSense accounts. We are going in this video to share some tips and trick how you can get activate accounts within 24 or 2 or 3 days. Before going to start, then you have to check what is the benefit of Google AdSense accounts, how it is works. It's very important, dear friends, because if you don't know how it is the work Google AdSense, then I think you are in the dark. Eh, you don't know how you can run campaign, you are in the dark. How you can work with Google AdSense, then you are on a you are sitting on a bomb, and bomb anytime can blast. And successful story must you have to learn, you have to pass, you have to read, because it give you positive things, the motivations powers, and the work with Google AdSense motivations and resources again is the more important points, because if you don't know about the resources of Google AdSense, then again you are going to wrong directions, is on the wrong way. So let's all these informations we can get together, and after that we will go to get a starts. So what basically you need to activate a Google AdSense accounts, you need to activate a sign in Gmail ID, and the compulsions and the first things you need to a Gmail ID on googles.coms or gmail.coms. If you have a Gmail ID, then you can sign in. First priority, you sign in Gmail, then you can check all these benefits. When you enter and sign in, then you can pass into profit and you can set up first times with this particular Gmail ID. So I am going to discuss and show you then how you can get. Please wait, still watching this video till end. And my request to all my viewers and my friends who's watching my channel first time and continue watching but did not subscribe my channel so far, please do subscribe my channel, so that we also press the bell icon, so that we when we upload the video you will get a notifications in your for this particular video, and you can get informations and updated for Google AdSense and others Google PPC management and digital marketing parts. So if we are talking to for when the benefit, then you can see the right ad for your audience. This is the main part. Again, benefits, you are in control, right? Third part is, and third benefit is, only the highest paying ads go live. And next, if we go our publishers, so we are not going to create a lengthy video, we are just inform you, just watch all things and read all information carefully, then we will log in and set up for Google AdSense. If you did not watch our previous video, then please check and also to subscribe for next video. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day, my friends. Love you. Bye bye. Take care. We will again come back with new videos.